Unit 5, Topic 4. Question number 2 talks about insulin in the body. And this is a very challenging question because we only have data from a graph and nothing else. And they want us to write all the way to an equation. So the first thing I would like to ask is this: is this a linear or an exponential question? Again, is it a straight line? Doesn't appear to be. So we know this has to be exponential. Is it going up or down? I think you got that. So, one of the things that I want us to understand is what is happening. Initial amount they're talking is there's 100. It's a minute, there was 90. So, the reason why there's 10 here is it went down by 10, right? And so, what was the change? 10 divided by 100. Well, we'll talk about that part in a second. How much was that the second minute? Now we're down to the number 81. So, how much change between the last time? 90 minus 81 is really 9. And down here, what we're doing is we're doing the how much did it change divided by the previous minute. So here it was 10 divided by 100, but now we're going to be 9, the change, divided by the previous amount. And if we do it one more time, we'll go to 81 to 72.9. And if I do my math, what is 81 minus 72.9? I get 8.1. And then that's the 8.1 is divided by the previous number, which is 81. Watch what happens if I divide all of these numbers. What is 10 divided by 100? 0.1. What is 9 divided by 90? 0.1. And I'm sure you can tell me already what 8.1 divided by 81 is. Yeah, it's got to be 0.1. What this means is the insulin is dropping by zero point 0.1. And again, in terms of a percentage, if I move that over, we're seeing a drop of 10%. So if we were to think about this in terms of, okay, an equation, we have an initial amount we know is 100. If we're losing 10% every minute, how much are we holding on to? Think of it like money. If I have 100 and I take away 10, that means I have 90% that's staying every single time. So we're holding 90% of whatever our insulin is. And then we just put this to the power of x. Any number I can type in. So if I needed to know 10 minutes or 20 minutes, we can get that precise number. Just to show you when I type this in, I would get that. I can type in 100, parenthesis, 0.90, up arrow to the 3. That should yield that weird answer of 72.9. And that's how you write an equation from points. You have to find the common difference thinking about multiplication and division patterns. It's a hard question, but I hope you understand it.